Well, hello everyone. This is Peter Brown with a look at your forecast for the upcoming 7 days. And can you believe it? We are now into December. We are officially into meteorological winter now. As we start out our period, look at this on December 2nd on Friday. We're going to see temperatures a little bit above normal, temperatures in the upper 40s to around 50, but under some very nice sunny skies, so it'll feel like a really, really nice December day out there, that's for sure. I just want to let you know, though, we're going to be very far away from this record low of 4, so no need to worry about that. And definitely a long way from this minus 7 degree record low when we get to the end of the period. But as you notice this, look at this, when we get to December 8th, our average highs are only now around 40, so we really are getting down into the deep, deep belly of winter at this point, that's for certain. But as we go ahead, I'm going to show you a little bit about what's going to be going on with our weather for the next 7 days. And if you are somebody who loves dry December days, this is going to be the forecast for you, that's for certain. On Friday morning, we're going to see a front pass through, and it's going to be a rather strong one. So this is going to draw down some very cool and very dry air from eastern Canada. That's going to bring us basically wall-to-wall sunshine for the first 5 days of our period. It's also going to bring with it, though, some pretty chilly temperatures. As we get towards Sunday, Monday, and maybe into Tuesday, we might see temperatures hovering in the upper 30s to the lower 40s. So there's definitely going to be a bite in the air. As we get to the end of the period, the storm system that you see over here near Michigan and the Great Lakes is going to move towards us here in the Burlington area, and that may bring us a chance of another period of heavy rain again. And there's also a possibility as we get towards the start of our next period next Friday, we could bring in some very cold air behind this system coming at us from the Great Lakes, and we could actually see a change over to some snow here in southern New England. Doesn't look like too much, and again, it's 7 to 8 days out there, so we're going to have an update for you, that's for sure, coming up with that. And as we move ahead, I'm going to show you another graphic. I know some people might be very happy about this. This is a map of the snow cover right now, currently in the United States, actually as of November 28th, so this is only a few days old. As you can see, this is fairly average for this time of the year. We see some snow cover in upstate New York, up through the mountains of Maine. Of course, all of southern Canada is basically covered in snow, which is usually normal for this time of the year. And again, some snow out in the Rockies. So basically, this can sometimes be used as kind of a guide as to how our winter might be. Looking, of course, up at North America and looking at the snow cover in Russia, looks like in those areas is pretty much average snow cover. So that usually means we're on track to have a fairly average winter in terms of precipitation with snowfall. So definitely looks a little bit snowier than last year, but doesn't look quite like that winter we had 2 years ago. As we move ahead, I'm going to show you on the next slide some of the beautiful weather conditions we have coming up for the next 7 days here in the Burlington area. Look at this. Again, starting out on Friday, beautiful, beautiful weather. Temperatures in the upper 40s to near 50. Some very chilly nights, though, coming up. And if you're coming to join us on Sunday afternoon at the Burlington tree lighting on the Common, make sure you bring some things to bundle up with, especially for the kids, because our high temperature on Sunday is only going to be around 40. And by the time we get to the tree lighting with the sun going down, temperatures will be falling through the 30s and down to the 20s very, very quickly. But as you can see, look at this, the remainder of the period, beautiful conditions. Temperatures moderating as we get towards Thursday with, again, that chance of some heavier rain maybe moving in. But look at that, temperatures up in the mid-50s again. So everyone, I hope you get a chance to come and join us in BCAT at the Burlington tree lighting on Sunday afternoon. And I hope you enjoy this first full week of December.